darlings. Hi, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. So, as you could see, as you've seen, I just done my makeup. And I tried a couple new things. And I kind of want to share with you. Because I can't, my screen looks so broken. I feel so sorry for my screen. But it's okay, I can see myself. It's fine. So I've just done my makeup. I'm not really happy of the base because I've done something with the powder and I don't know. But I tried new primer, as I showed you before, that e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I think I kind of like it. It definitely sucked all the foundation that I used this tinted serum. I do like it how, like, I am not really with the, like, too much makeup these days. So something light and something quick, it works for me. And I rediscovered this palette by Vita. Oh my god, it's so good. Look how pigmented. And I honestly love this palette. And I'm definitely gonna use more of that because I like it. I like it because it's really pigmented. The shadows are pigmented. I love it. Beauty Bay does really good palettes. I have 2 at the moment, I think. It's one very fairy, like the reds ones, and this one maybe I have another one somewhere. And I got this when did I go? Oh, Monday. This Max Factor L'Infinity, where's the box? L'Infinity 24 hours lip combo in shade Angelic 020. I'm not good with that. So this is the color. Well, this is the color. I actually kind of like it. And this is the lip topper. It's like a Vaseline type looking, but I actually really like it. It's very sheen. I am not a lip gloss gal. Never been, never going to be. So for me, the sheen is really lovely. I like it. It says 24 hours. So we'll see how is that gonna go. And yes, I had my breakfast. I am working. Oh, yeah. And I just thought I'm gonna quickly do my makeup in 5 minutes. It looked quick. It was quick. What I actually remembered, I haven't shown you yesterday, my millionaire shortcake. Shortbread. Whatever. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. I'm just gonna finish work and I will show you on my lunch break. Okay, so I am on my lunch break now, and before I eat I want something sweet apparently. No, I don't. But I haven't told you about my millionaire shortcake. Looks like this. I made a little boo-boo by not crumbling the base too well. So it's actually crumbled. It didn't really stick too much. But I'm gonna try with you. It's good. It's definitely really good. Oh, I love it. It's sweet and it's nice, and you can get a biscuit in. Still has a taste, but the layers are good except the base. So, oh, this is good. The chocolate's amazing. It's only the base that I have a problems with, but still good. So good. Damn. Yeah, see, it's all the crumbs. there. And it's a shame, because I definitely do it again. But I'm definitely gonna do the base differently. Right, okay. I'm gonna go do some washing up, because it's never ending in this household. And then I'm gonna do some lunch. I have a steak for lunch. Very bougie. Very bougie. Oh, you guys, I am just sitting here working, and I honestly have to vent. I can't deal with this. So it's August, yeah? What's going on? Every single time I look out of the window, it's raining. It's freaking August. We haven't had any summer whatsoever this year. It's just, I am sitting with layers. Like, I have a top and the jumper because I'm cold, and I'm not putting any heating on because with the prices, it's summer. I am so annoyed. I have to vent. It's depressing. I'm not wonder why this country mental health is in shambles, because this is depressing. I know we can change the climate, but do you know what? I feel like it's been done on purpose. This is not summering. This is not summer. Oh my days, I am tired of this rain all the time. Let's put a Christmas tree up and call it a day. And my battery is flashing, so yay, great. I'm so fed up, you guys. Yes, and I changed my lipstick. That steak was delicious, by the way. Really good. I really enjoyed it. I actually, first time ever, probably, didn't overcook the steak. Didn't overcook the steak. Sorry, my brain's not there. Not here. Not there. That's what I mean. So yeah, I just wanted to vent about the weather. Update, second day with no smoking. Maybe that's why I'm venting, because cravings are real. They are. I am craving, but you know what? It's for the best. I cannot do it, and yeah. Just sitting in this miserable, I can't even go for a walk. Can't do anything. How? Okay, it is 4 o'clock. I still have an hour left, so I'm gonna go carry on working. I'm gonna charge my battery. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna film today. It's just, I am 24 hours at home, like in a lockdown. Same. Never mind. I think next week is gonna be a bit better, hopefully, fingers crossed. But I lost my hope. I'm off to charge my battery. So you guys, I took my makeup off. I am makeup free now. I am in my PJs, and I can't do this. I have decided I want to shave my face. Why? Because my face has a lot of fuzz on it. So my makeup does not look as flawless as I would like it to be. And then I need to sort my eyebrows too. So I have two things that is gonna help me achieve my result. So it's a, I don't know how you call this, microblade and a baby oil. I've heard that it helps. I've done it once before, I think. but I didn't use any oil. So I'm gonna show you a little bit, because my fuzz is real. I really hate my fuzz. Don't know why I'm putting on my nose, but right, okay. So it's very sharp. So you just go. Can you see it? See the line? That is the hair. So I think I've done okay job. I'm not sure. I will have to have a shower, but there was a lots and loads of hair coming off, so I'm just gonna wipe. Actually, yeah, wait a minute. I'm just gonna wipe this oil off. And yeah, I think I've done a good job though. It does look, it feels better. It feels definitely better. Okay, so I am gonna go put some moisturizer on and everything, and I'm gonna say goodnight to you, because I am just gonna go chill. It's raining again, shocking. And yes, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.